Southwest Khas Hills District Congress Committee bok jinglam jung ba kan pham vi kharlang do President kalapan longi kijing kendu lang ha office traikam juga party hamaukarwat ban penpau kijing sngosi berkijing sngokia halor kijing ki joki samla pule hajantar manta New Delhi. Habagren sikalat pathai kubor bakan pham ulaong baka Congress kapen remjur kijing le donbor joki bor sanshar ke Sarkar India haga babun ngut ki samla pule kelami pajba bandawa ye kahok halor kijing latu jogi jingkeli ulaong ru baka parti kapen remjur kijing syara jubor Rahul Gandhi lambat katu keningut ki MP juga Kongres ki bedai ki nongelam liang persya ha parlemen kadba ki danglek ban ai mensim bat penpau ki jingetli bat ki samla puli ki ba dangyakhi ha jantar mantar ka Southwest Khas Hills District Congress Committee ka ai ki jingkershan ka ba purai ki samla puli ki ba dawai ka hok bat ka jingtokit ka ba khoi halor ki jinglatu jong ki jingkeli examine Hagju kapor ka parti kadawa na menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ba unsim kia mardor halor kani kakam bat pentikna ba anle ya kejing tokit ka balayot bat ka bahok shushu ka sengla dawaru ba kadai ban penhiar sukino ya udharmendra pradhan menteri badai pet ya ketenat puli puti jokari India namar kejing bomla jong ketenat banyada ya kejing yaj pet ya jrenti jong ka examin bat ban penne pensa kejing syania jong ki samla puli bat jong ki pajbah.
We are here, all the party members from the Southwest Khas Hills District Congress Committee. We gathered here to solidarity that we were to stand together with the students who are protesting the paper leaks against the paper leaks of NEET, GE, NET exam, and so on and so forth. As we have seen that on 20th July 2026, there is agitation in Jantar Mantar. And it's so unfortunate that from the government, they have lathi charge, they have fire tear gas against the students who are gathered in Jantar Mantar. And this inhuman done by the government, BJP government, against the students who are protesting against the right. It's so unfortunate and it's unacceptable. So this is the party congress who stood along with the student all along since the very beginning. As you have seen, Rahul Gandhi in so many places he has gone to protest on this paper leaks, everywhere. You have seen he has gone to West Bengal, he has gone to Rajasthan, he has gone to Uttarakhand, he has gone to everywhere in the country to protest against the paper leak. And you have seen that students all over the country, they came together, they protest against it. And it's so also unfortunate that we have seen that there are around 29 students who have been suicided, who have died because of this after they realized that their future has been shattered by the paper leak. It has been done by the government. So as we gathered today, we from the Southwest Khas Hills Congress Committee, we condemn, and we as a responsible citizen of the Southwest Khas Hills District, we stand for the student, we stand for our children, we are standing for our nephews, our niece, and our relatives who have prepared the exam. Different exams. So we also, at the same time, we are protesting against that the illegal detain by the police, New Delhi police, against our leader our President Sri Rahul Gandhi yesterday, and who is protesting against the government who are doing inhuman against the student at Jantar Mantar. We from the Southwest Kasil District Congress, along with the party Congress as a whole in India, we will stand for the student and we will fight for the rights. At the same time, also, we are against this dictatorship mindset by the BJP government. At the same time, also, we demand the immediate release of all the students without any condition. At the same time, also, we also demand that the resignation of Honorable Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. And we also demand that the government should allow that the issues of paper leak should be discussed in Parliament.
Ngidan hangai ko ka District Congress Committee jongka Southwest Kasil District ba idon ya dorlang hangai ko kada ka jing kersian ya ka jing ke jongki samla pule Jantar Mantar deha po nomba dari ba gitip kene ke jing ke ke ba kelang juli misnya ba ke jing ke ba songnya ke jing ke ba ladangi island ba kan ka sorkar kan sulek kan pomon ngi ba lalu itu samla kanong ke bedung di ka benta ke ban kong ke bangi don lah kene kalong kata ke bangi ai ke kesan bagi ai ko full support ka ta jo kini ki samla ki barang ha ga jingke na ka benta kene ke jinglik ki jingkili kini ki ko te exam per te kumagalong ga jingke Indonesia hapo India idon la ka jong ka hok Constitution of India ka ai ni kata ka hok ba nila maniki da ka bajai-jai dan rei kumbangi i mata hapo Jantar Mantar ni ba ka sorkar ka kerdam no wa Constitution ka India ka basya bagi nyaki lain loy te takadau na kalian jungi ni pendam jo de ka jinglek jong sorkar hapo jong singlam jong ka parti BJP but kumba kalong mata ni i kumba sorkar ka kerdam ya ka demokrasi kumba kalau penolong ya ka beri jungi ke ba kanlong kum kan sorkar gi muka long ka sorkar diktator kompresu ka sorkar demokrasi kum ka don pot nasional India pada ke juga por na kalian jungi kum ka segi kongres ki penjuru ke wei na ki statement hapo jong social media ke ba lai do presiden juga BJP ka ki sama juga BJP udah ba mewakil lendok pakma hajaka na kalian jungi nak kami lenti ba samla na po jong kada state ga jungi anisya kin dai maki banlong kita ki nongra kubor ki bania krenlem na kamta jong kada isu ka bakta samla tan rengi iba une u presiden hajaka ba un ya problem kujka krenlem unang aideng penban penkhlut penban mana kalang jungi ngidawa ba une u presiden jong ka BJP yurwing jong ka Mekhilia state mde mimpi ka sorkar kamde ban ajem sorkar mekhilia kamde bisa ajem ka sungu nama bang iba wan ra ya ka kata ki kenten bu Ukraine hapo jong ki social media la kumbau berngem te sakoi pat na kalian jungi ni dawa madon na ka sorkar India kham tamba kini ki samla ki baikhe ante po Jantar Mantar ki khi nam ta ka hok ka joki di ngasnya ba kamde ka hok ba ngin kem ki ni dawa mador ka sorkar India bahkan pelat no ikini barok ke bala sakem marun ai do ki ka hok na kata juki kum ba ka dawa na klem jungi ka sen kongres kum ba ngila ya na do kini ki benai ki bala dep sedang ya kan ka ji khi abade ba kan ka jinglik jong ki question paper ka net exam ni dawa he ka jo marna kalian jungi ni dawaro ba education minister jong ka union education minister jong sorkar India lada umla man ya kan ka mat ka ba kta ya ka yap ka em jong ki samla jong ka ri hi bor ko ude ban hiar suti no mardor hak jo por ni bu ro ka jing dawa ba prime minister jong ka India kumuk le do jong ka sorkar ude ban sim kha mardor ka kam malah dak usnya bu mla ka bha bu hiar no suki ku so